Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to activate a product on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to activate a product on Steam, first open up your Steam app on your computer, and after opening your Steam app on your computer guys, log into your account and you'll land on this interface. And after landing on this interface guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see a bunch of items or options over here. Now in order to activate a certain product on Steam, you can see the games option available for us. Click on the games over here, and here you can see there is the option says activate a product on Steam, which is the second one just below the view games library. Click on the activate a product on Steam, and this kind of interface will appear where it says enter your product code over here, and by entering your code you'll be registering your product with Steam and adding it to a library. You can enter a product code distributed with a retail CD DVD or a Steam product. For example, you can see guys the type of codes available over here. Now enter your code over here, whichever it may be, whichever type of the code may be, and after entering your code over here, click on the confirm button over here, and then if your code is correct you will have activated that product on Steam. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to activate a product on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.